Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to bake pumpkin butter cake. This cake is so moist and the mixture of pumpkin and butter flavor is just amazing. There is no secret and trick as it is so easy to make. So let's start baking. Into a bowl, take 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of clove powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sieve and mix together the dry ingredients and set aside. Into another bowl, take 226 grams of unsalted butter and beat for 2 seconds. Make sure that the butter is softened, not hard and not melting condition. If you think they are running and melting, pop it back into the fridge for a few minutes until the butter is just softened. Add half cup of white sugar into the softened butter. You can also use 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar and mix using a spatula and beat on high speed for about 2 minutes until creamy and fluffy. Add in half cup pumpkin puree and continue mixing until well combined. To prepare the pumpkin puree, cut the fresh pumpkins into chunks and place them in a heat-proof bowl. Steam them for about 10 minutes or until they are really soft. Test with a fork and if the fork can dive in effortless, they are good. Mash them with a masher thoroughly to ensure no lumps. Set aside to cool before use. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix until combined. In between, scrape down from the sides and bottom of the bowl and beat well. Add in the eggs one at a time and mix on low and medium speed to combine them. Make sure that the eggs are at room temperature. Add in the sifted dry ingredients in 2 or 3 batches. Use a spatula to fold in until combined. Do not overmix. 1 tablespoon of milk if using, and folding into the batter. Prepare a 7-inch pan greased and lined with parchment paper or butter paper and transfer the batter into the prepared pan. Meanwhile, preheat your oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Smooth the top with the spatula. Tap the cake tin twice to release excess air bubbles and bake in the preheated oven for about 30 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Remove the cake from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool for about 15 minutes. Then remove the cake from the pan. You can serve immediately while it's hot or can let it cool down completely. You can keep the cake in the airtight container in room temperature for 2 days. Pumpkin butter cake is now ready to serve. Slice and enjoy with a hot cup of tea or coffee. Do try out this recipe at home and share your feedbacks in the comment section. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and families. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get notifications when we upload new videos. See you with more videos. Until then, bye bye.